Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to turn off Amber Alerts on Android. If you want to disable Amber Alerts but still receive other emergency notifications such as severe weather and national alerts, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Settings app and scroll down, then tap the Safety and Emergency button. Tap Wireless Emergency Alerts at the bottom, then toggle off the switch next to Amber Alerts. And done, you will no longer receive Amber Alerts, but other critical alerts will remain enabled. You can also go to Apps and Notifications on Settings, select Advanced, then Wireless Emergency Alerts. Disable the toggle next to Amber Alerts. Just note that these steps were created using a Pixel phone running on Android 14. Some Samsungs, OnePlus, and other Android devices may have different menu names. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.